Whoa. How's it going, everyone? Benny Bassmaster here from VBM VBM YouTube. Just got back from work. I have another Halloween special here, and got it from Trick or Treat Studios, and it's for the new movie Saw X, which I haven't seen yet, and I'm gonna see. But I'm gonna open it right now. We're gonna see this bad boy. If I don't cut my finger off, I gotta lose weight. All right. Should be good now. Had a real good day today. Got a promotion from work, which is good. I'm happy, and this is a real good Tuesday. So we're gonna see what we got in here. Let's see. What we got here, guys, is Saw, and it is Billy the Puppet, John Kramer's puppet that he uses to intimidate his victims, which is called Billy the Puppet, which represents his loss of his dead son too. So if you haven't seen Saw X, just be reminded it's a prequel to Saw 2. But anyway, guys, so this is it, Billy the Puppet mask, and it's gonna go in my Saw collection where I go over there. Got my Saw collection right there. I'm just gonna show you guys. I got my Saw collection right here. I got the pig mask that Amanda uses. I got the skeleton foot of Dr. Gordon's foot where he sawed off. We all saw this on my YouTube channel. And don't worry, I'm not using needles, but that's a real needle, but it makes the whole decoration put out that much more. And I made that Billy the Puppet. I made that out of a stuffed bear. And this is gonna go right on top of it. So, yeah, there you have it, guys. Benny Bassmaster here from VBM VBM YouTube, and please subscribe and have a good day, guys. Love you guys. Bye.